Welcome to Pulkit Tech, where innovation meets style and technology weaves the fabric of the future. Today, we're unraveling the threads of a revolution in the fashion industry, brought to life by 3D printing and AR/VR technologies. Imagine a world where your wardrobe is not just designed but engineered, where 3D printing transforms sketches into tangible haute couture, and virtual showrooms allow you to try on outfits crafted in the digital realm. This is not the future, this is the present, and it's reshaping the runway beneath our feet. In the ateliers of tomorrow, designers craft with code and garments are coded with personalization. The click of a button brings to life a dress that fits not just your body, but your soul. AR mirrors reflect not just your image, but your imagination, as you swipe through patterns and palettes that adapt in real time. But what does this mean for sustainability, for artistry, for the very essence of fashion? It means a canvas of endless possibilities, a reduction in waste, and a new chapter of inclusivity where every body is celebrated. As we stitch this narrative together, remember, you're not just spectators, you're part of this transformative journey. So if you're intrigued by the seamless blend of tech and textiles, stay tuned for more content that's tailored to your curiosity. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because at Pulkit Tech, the future of fashion is just a click away. Thank you for joining me on this stylish odyssey. Until next time, keep innovating, keep inspiring.